This video, let's quickly find out how to deposit your paycheck on Cash App. Welcome back to a new video on How Check. If you're trying to deposit your paycheck onto your Cash App and to add it to your cash balance on the Cash App, in today's video, let me show you the quick process. To get started inside of your Cash App, you'll need to head over to the Money section, which is on the bottom left. Once you're inside of the Money section, what you now need to do is tap on Direct Deposit. Inside of more ways to add money, you'll be able to see the option called Direct Deposit. You just need to tap on this option. Once you do, you will be able to choose from your employer so that your paycheck is directly deposited. So just tap on the Direct Deposit option, search for your employer, and your paycheck deposit will be made. Now, in the case where you can't find your employer, what you need to do is come back to the Direct Deposit section where you'll see your routing number and your account number for your Cash App. You just need to copy these by tapping on this icon right here. Once you tap on these options, the routing number will be copied. You just need to send these details to your employer so that they can add it in and send your paycheck directly to your Cash App. So whether your employer is on your Cash App or not, you can easily deposit your paycheck within the Cash App. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on more informative videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.